we don't want a disaster when we're done.
Sure.
How do we go about doing that? And I'm not talking about the meat, actually. I'm talking about the cleaning aspect. That's not my favorite. So is there any tips for that?
The tips are beforehand, before you start the grill up. There's, a couple of things you want to look at. Get it hot, brush it down really good and keep it well oiled. That will really minimize the disaster or the cleanup that you have afterwards. But to prepare for that, remember all your drip trays down below, regardless if they're multiple level drip trays or not, they should be lined with a foil. So if they're lined with a foil, maybe a heavy gauge, shiny side down. So any of the marinades or fats that drip off of there won't congeal into the pan. You can change it when it's dirty enough for you, but it will eliminate a lot of the grease fires that we have inside of this.
Okay.